right, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. We are back in the homestead again. So we're gonna get back into 240 coil pack project. So just getting that thing fixed up today. Battery's running a little bit low, so we're gonna see if we can get the entire job done here. So yeah, but we got the coil pack repair, coil pack bridge repair done. So, you know, a little bridge work here and there. Sometimes that's what we do. So yeah, thanks for joining me. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. We'll try to get back after some more interesting stuff here. So we are gonna get these guys put back together and we're gonna mate them up with coil packs. Get these bad boys back in the car and get this thing running again. Hooray. Okay, so first and foremost, we gotta figure out which way this goes. I'm assuming this is front and rear. It says up. Sure. Yeah, thinking that's the way it's gonna go in there. I do believe I should have paid more attention when I took this thing apart. But that looks correct to me. Maybe not though. Maybe it is the other way around. Yeah, looks like that's probably the way it is. So this must be this direction. Yeah, interesting. Okay, cool. So rear and front. Okay. That looks correct. Like that's gonna fit a little bit better. Cool. So I'm gonna throw coil packs on this bad boy, get this thing going here. So basically what we're gonna do, I think some of these still have fastener holes. So I got new bolts for these bad boys just in case. So I'm gonna try to reuse the originals if possible. If not, we're gonna roll with some slightly different ones here. Best case scenario, this will be easy. Worst case scenario, it will not. Very specific, right? Ah, where did my 1/4 inch ratchet go? Really? Well, I'm not very organized today. Let me see if I can find them more organized. Cool. So I'm gonna throw down and try to get these bad boys put together. Come together right now. Over me. Really enough, totally not my intention, but it is actually sort of kind of threading in there. It freaked me out. Hopefully I don't break off and that'll be counterproductive. So we may have to drill some of these out a little bit more in reality. I didn't really want it to thread in there, so kind of figured that might be the case. We have to do a little bit more drilling. Okay. Interestingly enough, not a big enough hole. So I may actually have to step that up a little bit, in all honesty, to get these guys to fit through there. A bit of a side quest. Ugh. Really? JB Weld kind of sucks. Apparently JB Weld heavily sucks. Darn it. Alright, well, that's a thing. That was good for days, and apparently it's not. I might have to get new ones of these. Hopefully not. I guess we shall JB Weld it again and come back to this. So, yeah, restart. All right, people, we're back. Hello. Thanks for joining me again. Back to the channel. Okay, so